In this video, I'm going to show you that I withdraw my XRP funds or profits from Uphold to my bank account. I'm going to show you the proof that this actually works, and it doesn't take as long as you think. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to grow your brand and to grow your bank account very safely and very easily on certain tips that I'm going to show you. Now, on the 15th that you see here, I made a withdrawal on May 15th, 9:50 p.m. And what this was the amount, $2,783.77. And I'll show you how I withdraw that as well. I'll go ahead and do the withdrawal, the steps of how to do that. Now, I made a snapshot of the actually transaction into the bank account, and I'll show you this right here. You see this matches here? Hold on. $2,783.77. $2,783.77. This is the bank account. Right in the bank account. And look at this. On May 15th, or May 17th, I should say, it's processing, which meaning by the next day, it will be on my account. So May 18th, it will be in my account, and it only took a couple of days. Now, May 15th, I believe that was on a that's a Saturday. That was on a Saturday. So May 15th was on a Saturday, 9:50 p.m. And then check this out. On Monday, May 17th, it's in processing into my account right here. I made a snapshot right there. Just wanted to void this out here. This is like a void, so don't worry about this number here. But this is the number we want to see. Look at this. The same number, processing, credit upon Uphold, and deposit on May 17th. And I just wanted to show you this does work. When you withdrawing any type of funds from these exchanges, I would suggest, this is no necessary financial advice, this is what I would do. What I would do would do smaller amounts. I wouldn't do 20,000 and 30 and 50. I wouldn't do bigger amounts. I would do smaller amounts just because that's going to make it a little bit more safe, and I will keep my stuff secure as well when I'm doing the withdrawal or any type of transactions. Now with Uphold is really good because it does have XRP. You can buy and sell XRP. It's one of the few exchanges, as in right now, that you can do that. Yes, it will get relisted at some point on other exchanges. At some point, it'll be back on Coinbase. It'll be back on crypto.com and among others. But XRP on Uphold is one of the few exchanges that you can actually do business on. Now, you see this. May 15th, transaction, withdrawal, and then May 17th, you actually see it processing. By the May 18th, it's in your bank account. Now, you're probably thinking, like, how did this happen? So, how do you do this? Well, once you have your funds in your XRP account, once you have it in here, all you do is work with the anything to anything. You find your cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. So, if I want to withdraw this right here, for an example, this Ethereum, I'll bring up the Ethereum, and I'll bring up how much of the Ethereum I want to withdraw. Just that simple. Then I'm going to tie it to my bank account. Very simple, really easy. You can add your bank account by clicking on that plus, US dollar, and then going from there. You just add in your bank account information. Very simple. Really simple. Just really simple. Very, very simple. And let's see, there's something else you can add on here. Let me see. Okay, that was it. And that's it. So I already have my bank account already set up. So it's already set up already. And that's all you do. You preview with withdrawal. And then right here is your 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app. You just download your Authenticator app like you on your Google. So you just look for Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you have an Android, go to your Play Store and just type in Google Authenticator, download the app, and you follow the steps. The steps will be on here So you just follow the steps, what it says here. And I did do a video. I'm going to do a video on how to do this, you know, how to get to this place, how to download the Google Authenticator app. And then that's going to give you a 6-digit code. You tie this into your account and then you confirm, and that's it. That is it. You confirm it, and then, you know, Uphold said 5 to 7 business days. As you see here, what I just showed you, this only took 2 business days. Because remember, Saturday, this happened on May 15th on a Saturday. On a Saturday night, matter of fact, Saturday night at 9:50 p.m. And then on Monday, May 17th, the amount is in processing. It's en route. So it's meaning really 1 full business day, this was in there. Now, I can't promise you that's going to happen on your account. That's going to take one business days, but 5 to 7 business days, that's exactly what it does. And by the way, if you do not have an Uphold account, click on the link below to sign up on Uphold. I like it because it's really simple and easy to use. I mean, it really is. You know what? Just email customer service or support if you have questions about it. They do have information how you can get a hold to them on this area here, and you just kind of follow there, or you watch a quick tour. If you need to watch a quick tour, just go ahead and do that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I just wanted to show you exactly the process of withdrawing does not take as long as what you think. Now, for me, I can only say for me, I wouldn't do large amounts. I'll do smaller amounts. I wouldn't do over 10,000. I would do smaller amounts, and just to kind of get it all set up. That way the money be in there faster, in my opinion. That's just my opinion whatsoever. So that's how you withdraw your actually cryptocurrency to your bank account. The steps I just showed you there. It's really simple and really easy to do. And if like you can do another transaction, just go ahead. Okay, if I want to do this one or this one, the same exact thing. The same exact thing. So really simple, really easy to do. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information that's going to help your bank account and it's going to help your brand as well. Something like this will help your bank account if you're doing transactions safely and very easily. I know it can be a little bit frustrated when certain things are not working. The biggest thing you want to do is make sure, this is one more step I'm going to show you. Make sure your 2-step verification is set up properly. Make sure this is. The best way of doing it is downloading either the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device or the Microsoft Authenticator app to make sure your stuff is secure and safe. So that's the last part I want to show you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. If you don't have an Uphold account, click on the link below to get access to it and start investing today. I'll see you in the next video.